everyone, my name is Atrey Agnihotri from Team 16 presenting on the topic of Engineering Exploration Course project, that is Disk Throwing Machine, along with my other teammates Piyush, Priyanka and Divya under the guidance of Srimati Rajeshwari Madam. The problem definition we are given is to design a disk throwing machine which can throw the disk with accurate speed. The angle can also be varied in this process. Disk throwing machine should be user friendly and the machine should not exceed the height of 5 feet and also should not exceed the budget of Rs 3000. The machine must have the capability to dispense 5 to 6 disks per minute and it should alert the user after the completion of the process. And last but not the least, it should dispense the disks in a smooth manner. The need statement we have given is that the Decathlon Hubballi is introducing a new gaming arena for novice players and it needs automatic disk throwing machines for various games. Function tree and function clustering. In function tree there are two units, that is disk handling unit and interface unit. Function clustering. In disk handling unit, the machine has the capability to sense the disks, machine can control the speed of the disks, machine can rotate the disks, and machine releases the disks by its own. In interface units, we can know whether machine is on or off, machine can sense the process completion, machine initializes the process and also senses the damaged disks. We have 3 subsystems identified. The first subsystem is the disk storing unit where the disks are stored. The second subsystem is the disk moving unit where the disk moves inside the machine. And the third subsystem is the disk launching unit where the disk launches itself and after the moving unit. There are totally 4 generated concepts. The first concept is the disk throwing machine with the help of conveyor belt. The second concept is disk throwing machine by induction, magnetic induction. The third concept is disk throwing machine with the help of the wheel. And the fourth concept is disk throwing machine by a pulley mechanism. Out of 4 concepts, our selected concept is the disk throwing machine with the help of conveyor belt, because the conveyor belt can increase the speed of the machine to throw the disk and also it can change the angle and also it moves in a smooth manner. Out of 4 selected concepts, we have selected the disk throwing machine with the help of conveyor belt because the conveyor belt has the capability to throw the disk far and also we can change the angle in a smooth manner. The weightage of our objective is, first one is semi-automatic, it has the weightage of 9. Second one hygienic, it has the weightage 8. Third one user friendly, it has the weightage 6. And sixth and easy to use, it has the weightage 7. Plug chart. Objective semi-automatic of weightage 9 with of first concept of 2 plus, second concept datum, third concept 1 plus and fourth concept nil. Hygienic, which has the weightage of 8 for the first concept nil, second concept datum, third concept plus plus and fourth concept plus. User friendly of weightage 6, the first concept is plus plus, second concept datum, third concept nil and the fourth concept plus. Easy to use objective of weight 7, first concept plus, second concept datum, third concept nil and fourth concept plus plus. Plus score for the first concept is 37, second concept is 0, third concept is 25, fourth concept is 28. Minus score for the first concept is 8, second concept is 0, third concept is 25, and fourth concept is 28. The total for these objectives of the first concept must be 29, second concept is 0, third concept is 12, and fourth concept is 19.
Hello everyone, I am Divya from Team 16. This is circuit diagram of our entire system. The components used in this diagram are 4 DC motors, IR sensor, 2 LEDs, Arduino board, micro servo 9G, servo MG995 and 2 L293D motor drivers. These all are made connections as shown in this figure. This is a flowchart of our entire system. The IR sensor detects the presence of the disk and the LED light blinks, and the servo MG995, servo 9G and DC motor gets on and the conveyor belt starts to rotate. Servo MG995 changes the angle by uplifting the rotating unit, and servo 9G pushes the disk. Disk reaches the rotating unit and disk is rotated by the conveyor belt, and hence the disk is launched out. This is a bill of materials required for our entire system. The materials goes like foam sheet, acrylic sheet, nuts and bolts, C channel, aluminum channel, wires, Arduino, DC motors, adapter, servo motor clamps, IR sensor and LED lights. These all are specifications and dimensions of these respective materials. This is motor sizing and battery sizing of the entire system. To find out the RPM of both the DC motor and the servo motor, it is foremost important to find out the torque of both these. Torque formula goes like F into T divided by 2 into eta. By substituting those values, it is necessary to find out the value of the torque. And by using this torque value, it is also possible to find out the power of both the DC motor and the servo motor. This is the functional specifications of the entire system. The functions of our model are to sense the disk, storing unit, move the disk to rotating system, check disk availability, release the disk, indicate the process of completion and angle variation. These are the specifications of these respective functions.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Anamati from group 16 and I am going to explain you the stimulation part of our project. In stimulation part, we are using some electrical components like 2 9-volt batteries, 1 micro 9G servo motor, 1 Arduino Uno, 2 LEDs, 1 sensor, 2 breadboards, and 4 DC motors, along with some wires to make necessary connections. We have 3 subsystems identified in our project. The first subsystem is disk storing unit, the second one is disk moving unit, and the third one is disk rotating unit. In disk storing unit, we are fixing 2 LEDs along with the sensor. As we all know that sensor is used for sensing something. In disk storing unit, sensor is used for sensing the presence of disks. When the disks are present, this LED, which is at the leftmost corner of the Arduino Uno, blinks and the disk is then moved to the disk moving unit where the micro 9G servo motor is present, and this micro 9G servo motor pushes the disk at a certain angle, and now it reaches to the disk's rotating unit where these 4 DC motors are present. And along with these 4 DC motors, we are actually using 2 conveyor belts, but unfortunately we are not showing it in stimulation part as conveyor belt is not available in Tinkercad. But however, we are using it in our project. These 4 DC motors rotates with the constant speed, so as the conveyor belt also rotates. When the DC motor starts rotating, conveyor belt also rotates with the same speed as that of DC motor. When the disc touches the conveyor belt, which is rotated at certain speed, the disc also rotates in the same speed, and now it is launched out of the disc rotating unit. In this way, the disc is launched out of the whole disc rotating unit. I'm going to show the coding part of that. See here, it is a here is a coding part which we have used for our project, and here is a stimulation part. I'm going to show that stimulation part in order to understand it in a easier way. See, as you can see, the micro 9G servo motor is rotating here, which pushes the disk, and now LED, which is at the leftmost corner, which I am pointing out here, it blinks and showing the presence of disk. Now it is pushed to the disk rotating unit where these 4 DC motors are rotated, and the conveyor belt rotates and the disk is pushed out of the rotating unit. Once all the disks are exhausted, when there are no disks present, this LED gets off, and this LED which I am pointing out, which is present at the rightmost corner, blink showing the process completion. And this ends the process. Thank you.